So black pepper not good for man. Me know that, you say.
Anything with grainy. Anything when I can't blend out when it dissolve. Any grain when it dissolve. Not good for man. A strawberry. With grainy. You can't when I do strawberry juice it's still grainy, you know. Time you don't really fool on them things there. Our exit is a little small, needle exit.
So if the grain them pack up down there, no have problem.
Like a black it up.
If it not come out properly, so when we can just let it come out and nothing in your faces.
Come on, can I go up, I guess?
Anyways, no more than that. I eat.
Are you going to feed this?
But guys, we've been very busy.
Right now, I'm going to work out in the afternoon.
I was in bed after 5 this morning.
Some cleaning up.
We have a nice little party last night.
After party cleaning up.
So, we have after party cleaning up for you.
I'm not going down to the sun down in.
Well,
I'm like vampire.
After 4 now. So, when the sun going now, what time now? What time that? Because already 9 o'clock, it's still light up outside.
10 o'clock. You can't take the sun, vampire. You know, I'm going to melt with.
You want out there hot, you know? When it's hot. So, it's a nice bungalow callaloo, yes, man. Some now we can get callaloo for buy, and I have to eat the one in the tin. Nice, soft. Love callaloo, you know. Me eat callaloo 7 days a week, like Aki, you know. Love callaloo.
Well, so when you after family, yeah?
Because I now get the double dose.
You're going to active break.
Yeah. And then I go to the supermarket, I now get double dose Aki. No, I get it. Like, it's scarce or something. I ask them around there. And I get it. Double dose Aki sturdy.
No, we don't eat it, and I eat it.
No, but I can't take the rest them way. When you cut them, you can see the packer in them from. We use some money and Aki not cheap. At $8 for your tin. $24.
Treated.
No, 3 tin, I mean. Alright, 3 tin for $24. And I can't buy less than 3 tin. So,
$24. We'll put some money there.
I commit that money to you. And a little bit to me. That's just the breakfast. And then it alone I use. So I'm not waste my money buy the other one them. Malika. Get you.
I'm gonna sit here.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Go on from camera, man. Camera catch your head on you, see.
Look at that.
Can you stop it?
What do you do with me? You want me to have vlog, you can't tell me, you know, for cheating, so.
It's so bad.
And this time, sometimes you can't use food brand for vlog again.
Stop it.
A vlog, a vlog.
Vlog, whichever one you want. From.
I do video. You can't use food to text me, I know. Outdoor more interesting.
You come back and with your food again.
Vitamin D and then the whole 9 yards.
You come back with your food again.
Maybe if me get black. Maybe if me I get black or skin complexion or change.
You know about skin complexion?
The outside, white line thing.
What say? You say I'm not afraid of sun? Right? You know, or some people are saying, no, I don't want to go in the sun or whatever. No, I have no problem with it. As long as it's not 100 degree where you know me I roast out there. But anything at the 80s, 70s, 80s, 90s, not too much. Not too much. If it's 90s and it's not that hot, then that's alright. Like we're not blow with the 90s.
70s comfortable.
Yeah, 70s comfortable, yes, but just I said, I'm not afraid of the sun. I'm not care if I want to burn up. Every skin complexion want to get dark. That don't matter to me.
People are saying, oh, you need to stay out of the sun because you get black. Because you look burn up.
I'm born and growing at it.
Me good, me take the burn up for just a couple months. Out of 360, 65 days of the year. That's it.
65 or 50? 65, yeah.
Just about 70 days at this. Out of that.
Not even so much. Because in a fall and spring,
No.
not them eat there.
Summer.
I just say summer 3 months.
3 months.
90 days.
So more than 75 then.
Oh yeah, more than
75 now.
You know me, I think it's a 175.
Mm. 75 days are outside. Very short. Let's start with the thing.
Honestly,
I see one.
I used to love in the summer. Love is in the summer, spring and fall. Because you can, with summer, spring and fall, you can literally get to do more outdoor stuff. But
Sometimes
the spring and the fall,
especially the
So
spring.
cool.
Especially spring. You wonder when the winter go done.
Yeah. The fall not so bad, but the spring, yeah. Like sometimes they still get the snow. So cold. You have to put on coat. Because the temperature drops so low.
Alright. I nicest mint tea this me drinking in years. I mean make it in. That's why.
You're right. I mean, turn off the fire. Yeah, you make it, man.
You help me.
Right.
If I made the trade man.
Fish.
No. You don't forget none of them. Can you give away all of them? We do all the while.
So yeah, hurry up and eat it. Me not even get to taste the fish. Stop it, man, and stop
That's
the
why you
fish.
shouldn't give them one.
But don't get them where?
They send them outside. More sell it back more in the house. I know you want them to buy meat. Give me $10 and take all of this.
Keep it.
Alright, give me $9.
Put it in there.
$9.
I'll give it. Put it in there now.
That's why I love a bond. You hear something in cod? You ready about cod? See audio. Cash and delivery. Cod. Give me money, I'm going to deliver fish in your plate.
No, man, eat your fish, man.
You got to taste more still.
I just don't want to taste it because I never eat any.
So, you got to taste more.
Siobhan, eat mine this
It
morning.
will cost you $5 still.
Siobhan, come in this morning and brush my one.
$5. The money with your mouth there.
Put them fish on him. I'm not snap at this.
Go look it up.
Yeah, them fish out. Huh?
Can go on.
Them fish out after brown stew, really. Pass it for me. Pass it for me. Oh, she ain't up? Oh. Pass it for me.
So how about you got cut piece. So make sure
What you want?
that I should this.
Mel tell you say me asleep. Me not have no privacy. Me not have no privacy. You call me on Sunday morning, you come on Tuesday morning, you come on Wednesday morning. What you want?
Why you have no privacy like me come to your yard?
And Sunday morning interrupt the piece cutting.
So,
I'm going to say you're asleep. Let's not come to your yard.
all when Sunday morning come and me need to have some time and I cut one like a piece. You call down my phone and I...
Get where the fucking dog get. I'm going to say, me not have more things than what me have. You soon get where you look for. You catch a stool tear out. Yeah?
Now you're in a business. Yeah. You sure you want me to know so I saw you stay so you can get there?
No.
Hmm?
No.
You sure?
No. Oh my...
I don't speak of you, pan.
Yo.
What do you mean I'm not speaking? I'm going to pan then.
Will you down in your bed, side and side?
No, sir. I can't bother.
Nobody in our lifetime. You cook?
Of course, but they want me to go work.
Where you cook?
I'm tired.
Me say, you just also, you just all your also till.
I can't hold down, I'm tired.
All and out of that.
Yeah. From not even plate you not have a yard. When you come on me yard, you come for whatever you want. Me ever tell you say if you can't play.
Carry your box there.
And you feel back so it.
Where you cook?
Carry your box. We cook upstairs, French fries, rice and beef, corn.
Oxtail and what?
Should have had diet.
Oxtail and what?
I just don't have breakfast.
One little piece of oxtail I take out with 1 spoon of rice. And most vegetables. So what will you do?
So you say you cook banana?
No, I cook 1 spoon of rice.
You cook oxtail and rice and peas.
We eat banana this morning, yam and sardine cook up for breakfast.
I have oxtail and rice and peas in my fridge. You know, I have stir fry broccoli and shrimp.
Okay, then go and eat it.
I want taste a long time. I not eat out of your hand, so I will taste a little. I want a little. But at least you call me after my dinner. You're bad with that. You always want food. Is a one that you call me now after me. Cause
and then in a bed, you see at this time 4:31 I'm in a bed at 6. So go on better than this, man.
But see weird.
Go on better than this, man.
Listen.
So
So what happened to that? So we're not human. We're married. We're married and we are human.
And that's our church service.
where was my
And that's our...
No, sir.
Oh my God, Gracey, you're too much. Me never have nobody to talk to me like this, but
How much the food yours?
$8.
Oh, man, I'm a little bit of no more change. Alright, carry one come.
you think me I go come over your yard now? You make a sad mistake. Me a chill.
When you go see the girl, yeah, go be no and wash out your front.
Gracey. You sure you want me to know, say, I saw you raw?
You think I somebody this year? Oh no, think I somebody this?
You know the phone speaker.
Me I tell you, if you're thin skin, you cannot.
Yeah, we can't go. If you think you don't have the phone speaker too.
Hearing good.
I know I'm not behave myself. That's when you're ready, okay?
Yeah, you one bigger man. Express yourself. Yeah, you one bigger man. Express yourself. I know already. I know you're not saint. Me hear you enough time, you don't know, so me hear you, you know. Me all know the house and hear you, you don't know, you know.
That is not a nice person.
What you talk about? What you mean by you tell her that? Man, you make she believe you. Man, you make...
Sometimes you come in the house, physically come inside of the house. I'm in the house, so I can hear you, you don't know. Me hear you carry on all time. And then when me see you face to face now, you just give me that innocent little look.
Are more... Have it a fool people.
Can't fool me. You can't fool me.
You should come on. I tell me a Jarrod.
Me hear her all the while.
You hear she blame me. You hear me say anything at all. Where? She should have tell me all of that a while ago.
Yeah, the cut piece parts.
Me no say.
That's come call you. What you tell me say? Run me on my yard.
Work to mash, man. Work to mash, you know. If you don't have none of that time, man.
I'm never afraid.
Sunday morning, I'm best at the time, you know. You get up late.
Alright, I'm going there.
More saying I get nothing.
You said that now?
More saying I get nothing.
I'll let you tell her this morning we're going.
Sure, say you want me to hear all of that.
And then you see we can.
What the boss there?
Wait name Amazon been calling, but he can't stop it.
Today?
Yeah.
Yeah, Sunday to the Sunday.
Yep. But me don't cook the show too.
Okay.
Yeah, I relax.
Boy, you not even stretch out your foot last night, man. Me say you drop
Mommy,
dead.
you know what I said? Me that go to work and me look outside. I call out Dana.
Me say you all, not even my great granny no all like you.
Think you come over here.
You say you go change when you move come right here, so. And you look like you're worse. Not even if you push out your head through your window. Not even if you push out your head through your window and come out or come over here, come chill with me little or nothing. Your whole like I'm a great, not even my great grandmother, but my triple great grandmother.
Some people all on them are cold. She all on cold.
Alright, I pray no man.
Me don't know about in your bedroom, you know. Me don't know.
At least do it out there. I must be chilling can't do anything.
No, I not doing me I talk about, are you.
I'm surprised to see him out so late, you know.
Yeah.
I look over them and say, wait. But me know why.
Yeah.
Him never had about.
Yeah, showing them out. Him have company, you know, when him have company, we chill
So
out.
go, let them grow together, you know.
Yeah.
No history.
Yeah. Them have history, man.
I just don't know what time is coming. I'm not even know.
And even though you fall and you got your rule so early, you're still up until, you're still asleep right till 4 or 5 o'clock. Cause by 6 o'clock you're gone in for your bed, you know, missus.
Tomorrow may I do a double.
Yeah.
I'm for rest myself.
Double in your bedroom?
No, raw.
Oh, okay.
Later may I continue on my start, yes. I have to give me strength.
Go hard though.
You know me tired when I read this, so maybe I'm strength.
I just say you're straight there. Alright, may I get a call from? Anyway, guys, we are gonna close out this video. We are having guests, and as you can see, we have a crazy moment. So we'll see you in the next one. When there? You fall asleep.
You want to win?
Yeah.
When you make me breakfast?
Next week Sunday. It depends on the schedule. So come here, Mel. Come and tell us something. Say the pitney them afraid of video. Well, film a video. Cause when they out there Galavan.
So, Galavan of a girl, of a boy.
I don't
Boy van.
No, me come just done. Galavan.
Galavan. Boy though.
No, brother.
Boy van.
Catch you guys.
Yeah.
We are out.
And remember the new word.
What is it that?
Brefna. Brefna. I'm going to create the spelling and make you know in the next video.
Like, comment, share, subscribe if you don't already subscribe, and we will see you guys. Adios.
Brefna.